Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to XR Tunnel, a powerful tool for fast, secure, and unlimited browsing. Whether you're looking for privacy, bypassing restrictions, or just a smoother internet experience, XR Tunnel has got you covered with its high-speed servers and multiple protocol support. Stick around because I'll guide you step by step on how to download, set up, and use XR Tunnel effectively. First, open any browser like Chrome or Firefox. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit Enter. From the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website to access the homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the menu icon, usually 3 lines or dots, and tap on it. From the drop-down, select Free XR Tunnel to proceed. Now, you'll see different options. Tap on XR Tunnel to start the download. Click Install and wait a few moments for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, open XR Tunnel. You might get a notification prompt. You can allow or skip it. Once inside, make sure you have an active internet connection to load the servers. The app may restart briefly to update the server list. XR Tunnel has 2 main sections, servers and protocols. To choose a server, tap on the server section and pick any location you prefer. You can switch servers anytime. Next, select a protocol by tapping the Tweaks button. You'll see built-in options. Scroll through and choose one that works best for you. For advanced users, custom settings let you tweak protocols, add SNF or SSL, and more. Finally, hit the big Start button to connect. Within seconds, you'll be secured and ready to browse freely. And that's it. XR Tunnel is now set up and running. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.